Hey guys, I got this 2018 Kia Soul and I had some difficulties with a few things. I got it at Copart, it was crashed, the airbags blew, and I had some difficulty removing the seatbelt. So I want to make a video explaining how I dealt with these things. I didn't see any videos on YouTube, and so let's get at it. On this side you're going to see two holes, and that's to release the clips. Okay, the metal comes in and it should just clip off. So both sides have to be done at the same time while pressing the button to release it. Let's see if I can do that here. Okay, that one's released. That one is released. I'll see if I can hold it. I'm going to hit the center. Alright, that went down a lot further because the clips were released. Now the seatbelt should come out. At this point the seatbelt has already been released, but I didn't realize it. All I have to do is remove the tools and the seatbelt will pop out automatically. There it goes. Whew. Alright, so we did more work than what was necessary, but in the end it was a really good lesson, and I hope you guys can do it for yourself. So in short, release the clips on both sides, and you have to hold them in place while pressing the center of this. If you can't see it, just take it apart and then you'll be able to see it a lot better. Now that my seatbelt is released, all of this can come out. And now I can repair that assembly or send it off. I apologize for the teaser about the seatbelt, but I was working at it for about 2 hours and I've made absolutely no progress. There's about like 10 balls inside, and they rotate as the seatbelt gets pulled, and then it gets locked in place. So I was just so happy to get it back together, even in the wrong position or the locked position, that I just left it. I was so frustrated with it. So what I'm recommending for you guys is just to send it off. So I used a service from Safety Restore. Now you can find them in Massachusetts. On eBay their services are a little bit cheaper, but I think they offer better services online. For example, there might be different shipping choices online directly from their website, whereas eBay, it's the cheaper one, but there's no choice. You get what you get, but in the end you're probably still going to get a good product. They have excellent reviews online on their website and on eBay. So I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I have my own Autel diagnostic tool. I'm going to try to reset it once I have everything returned. Once I have the airbag installed, all the seat belts installed, I'm going to try to reset it myself. So hopefully that works, but if not, I'm definitely going to use their services again. I'm going to take the module out of the car and send it to Safety Restore. So I know I brought you guys along this video thinking I was going to restore the seatbelt, and that was my intention. And it's definitely my attitude, like I can fix anything, I can do it, let's rip it apart, let's see how to do it. But in this case it was just so frustrating, and additionally I didn't really know how to put it back together, so I didn't want to jeopardize my safety or anybody else's safety with that seatbelt. For $45, it's definitely worth it. But that does not include shipping to Safety Restore. I just boxed it up myself, and I went to the post office, and from Ohio to Massachusetts I think it was about like $10 or something like that. Not too bad. So overall I think I'm paying about $55 for the restoration of a seatbelt. Not bad. Alright, moving on to the airbag. Now here's my airbag. It's a 2018 Kia Soul. But if you have a car that's in the same era as this one, it might have similar mounting styles. So my car has 3 holes, one on the left, one on the right, and one on the bottom. And I want to show you guys what to do or how to release the airbag if your airbag is blown or if you're just working on your car. Okay, here is the tool I'm going to use. You can use anything really, a screwdriver or something similar, but this has a nice diameter that's similar to the hole of the steering wheel. So what you're going to do is you're going to locate the hole and you're going to push it into the hole, and you're going to see these little pins right here. That's all you're doing. Okay, you guys have seen the pins on the airbag itself. Now you need to know where to press. So these little holes right here have to be pushed. So here's the right side. Jumping over here. You see one over here for the left. It's this. And then there's one on the bottom. And I want to show you the depth. So, okay, we're going to see it come through here. Apologize for the bad lighting. So I'm going to insert it into the hole, and you're going to start to see it right there. Okay. So now I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to show you how deep it is. That's it right there. So that's about 1.5 inches. So when I was originally doing it, I was putting it in there and I was like doing all this stuff and going way too deep, and I didn't know what I was doing or what I was trying to press. Okay, without connecting the electronics, I'm going to try to connect the airbag. Just drop the airbag. I'm going to try to connect the airbag, and then I'm going to disconnect it just to show you guys how easy it can be, and I'm hoping it's going to work well for me. Alright, so physically it's in place. Now keep an eye on this edge right here. You're going to see it pop out. I'm going to hit my tool. I'm going to press my tool into the hole, and then you're going to see it pop out, and that's all you need to see. And then that'll tell you that it's released. And it's just pretty much straight in right there. It's released. Alright, moving on to the next one. Straight in. There it goes. Should feel like a little spring, but you saw it release. I'm going to go on to the bottom. There it goes. Released. Tool, no more tools. Now from here, it can be a little tricky. There it goes. So I kind of had to, move it side to side a little bit. And my trim came off, but everything looks okay. So that's it, guys. Not bad. A lot easier, and you don't need like a Torx bit or anything. And you saw that I didn't have to reach around and look around or anything. I knew where the holes were. Pretty easy. Everything just snapped in place. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just a little quick help for the seatbelt and for the airbag. Stay tuned for more projects on the Kia Soul and for the Elantra GT. See ya.